Footwear testing is an art in itself. All the minor details can be consequential. Thickness testing ensures the perfect balance of flexibility and support. There must be uniformity across all the used materials. While microscopic examinations catch any tiny flaws. Enter the Ross flexing test. This critical evaluation simulates real-world usage by repeatedly bending and flexing the footwear. Deliver products which can keep up with today's hectic lifestyle. Go for textile testing. From the strength of the fabric to its lasting durability, your designs should continue looking impeccable. Washing tests replicate real-life conditions to see how shoes fare against water and detergents. And sip testing? Sippers need to withstand countless cycles of use. Hot air oven tests expose footwear materials to severe temperatures to assess their thermal resistance. It should not be degrading or losing its structural integrity. Wherein, the outsole abrasion test evaluates the grip and resistance of the shoe's sole to wear and tear caused by friction. Bally flexing tests are here to measure how well the materials handle repeated flexing and bending. Maintain comfort under continuous use. Density testing helps us understand the material density of shoe components, influencing weight and coziness. Picking up the right materials is key. Tear strength is pivotal for checking the resilience of different components against tearing. Imagine the shoe staying intact even under distressing conditions. Velcro testing reassures the longevity of Velcro fastenings. How well does it perform under countless opening and closing? And here's the convenience of Martindale abrasion test. It evaluates the wear resistance of the material by subjecting it to rubbing motions. Is it capable enough to tolerate the daily frictions? Moreover, we also check the thickness of the outsole to guarantee support and cushioning for long-lasting durability. Lastly, ergonomic tests. Don't relax until you deliver maximum solace to your consumers. Prevent all accidents or injuries before they actually happen. Quality shoes are built to last. Don't you agree?